Turkey was on sale again, so we got some chili powder. Dump it in the bottom. And let's get the others. Quick pause. Alright, we're going to cook this up. Now you need a lot of chili powder. And the reason why is this is going to actually stain the meat. That's that was half a chili powder. So how much was that? Weight 4.37 ounces or 120 grams. Definitely going to need more. Let's see which one of these is open. This one is. Nope, neither of them. See the difference in the color? Not much. Alright, we're going to need more, so we broke out another one. We're going to cook that up. Alright, after everything's done, we're going to start adding 2 jars of salsa. We got 3 of the Rotel. The juice in the Chipotle ones, we're going to keep the juice. That we're going to get rid of. I had some fire roasted tomatoes. I had some yellow corn. I have some white corn. And we're going to do some pepper. We need a green pepper. We need some more green. There's not enough green. It's all about the colors. Black beans, dark red kidney, pintos, small reds, white kidneys. So the 5 beans and everything all mixed together. It's a color explosion. Alright, I mixed it up once. We're mixing it up again. As you notice, it's starting to get darker and darker. Still not going to be dark enough, so let's see, this one's 3 ounces. Definitely want to use about 2 ounces of chili powder, a good chili powder. See how it's still wet? Alright, we'll be back. Alright, one of the last steps before you start compiling the turkey chili. Now if you look at this, there is no possible way that you could tell that that is not ground beef, right? That looks like chopped meat. Alright, that looks good. We're going to add our nice color. We got our beans, 5 beans, a yellow, white corn. Might have to bring out the big bowl. Throw in 1 thing of tomatoes. Got it drained already. Throw in let's quick pause. I definitely think I got too much stuff. Not enough. Alright, these are the Chipotle ones. I want to leave. I didn't drain those. I left the juice in those. We got some pepper. Nice green, right? And the salsa. Something tells me we're going to have to switch it up and go to a different container. Because I got too much stuff here. Yep, too much stuff. What's it cost? Alright, and now I got 2 cans of the organic Hunt's fire roasted and diced tomatoes. Notice how nice big chunks these are. It's going to look pretty in there. Now it's time to mix it up. We had a lot more meat in this than I had the last time. What you want to do is you want to go from the outside, bringing it up. Quick spin. Look at that. Another spin. Doesn't that look good? Alright, time to put it on the stove, cook it up, and then we're done. Boil, boil. 12 inch. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful thing. Now you know my chili's done. It was just at a rolling boil. Oh. Just give it a quick stir. Last night I was watching Cook's Country. Or was it America's Test Kitchen? I have no idea. That is a perfect chili. It's too much steam coming off of it, but I want you to see all the colors. So there's like, this is a 5-bean, 2-corn chili. I got a yellow corn, you can see it, and a white corn. Black beans, dark red kidney beans, pink beans, white beans. There's just so much going on here. TV land, you can't touch me with the 10-foot pole. This is the most amazing chili you will ever eat. Guaranteed. Why don't I bring it to a chili cook-off? Because I don't care. I just taught you how to make it. You want to do this for your Rugrats, the person you love, but everybody that knows me knows. You eat my food, you leave your husband. Unless you're a vegetarian, so. Somebody I know is missing out on something. Love you.